What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. We back with another motherfucking video. I know the video's been slow on the reviews and the sneakers. I know a lot of you. I just want to give a shout out to everybody because I don't think I lost any subscribers. Maybe I might jinx myself, but shout out to everybody that's still rocking with the channel, that's still holding down strong for the new content. I've been posting a lot of those drip checks, what are people wearing in New York City videos. I know. But special video today. We're back with another shoe review. You see the title, so you see what we're about to go over. This is another personal. I got it for under retail. I'm gonna let you know how, and then we'll get into the review and the details about the shoe. And I just did the laces just so I could throw it in the title as well, so you guys could just see how I lace up my Jordan 13s. So no further ado, let's get right into the video. If you're new here, subscribe. We're almost to 600 subs. As well as subscribe to my music channel, which is also my other YouTube channel. And also go follow me on Instagram. Go show some love over there. And comment anything you want, questions, whatever. I read all comments and I respond to all comments. So no further ado, let's get right into the video and let's get it. Alright, so off rip. It's getting a little hot in here. Off rip, got the classic 13 Jordan box. It looks like this because I have the sneakers already laced up. I just put it in here so you can't see it, just for the moment, the sake of the video. So this right here, Jordan 13, regular silver box, nothing too crazy. And it's just my personal size, 9.5 on 13s. So no further ado, the Air Jordan 13s, black UNC, or whatever they call it. The official colorway is black university blue white. There's literally no white in this damn shoe except for the Jordan tag that says Jordan. Literally no white in sake, of course the bottom. But first of all, this is a sleeper shoe. 2 reasons why it's not going crazy. But you guys know on my channel, I always say, forget what people think, cop what you like. Doesn't even matter. Obviously, you see the past couple shoes, I copped stuff that was relatively brick shoes. People didn't like them, want them. I don't care, I copped. So black UNC Jordan 13s, I laced them up. It might look crazy right now because it's freshly, it was just mad tight, so I had to loosen them up. It's a little baggy, but when you have the 13 tongue up, it looks tight. And then, you know, you throw your jeans on, cargo shorts, whatever you want to do, and boom. If you pay attention to my collection, when it comes to something that's red, something that's purple, something that's UNC blue, and also the color gray, the cool gray, whatever, I'm a sucker for all those 4 colors. So, also, if you guys really know about sneakers, if you know about the Chris Paul PEs in 13s, and I think they had the 6 rings, and they had other colorways, maybe 12s, or maybe that's Rip Hamilton instead. But either way, these are the closest you'll ever get to a Chris Paul PE, and it was kind of like an aqua blue and a purple type, because back then Chris Paul used to play with the New Orleans Hornets NBA team. So this is the closest you'll get to a Chris Paul, and it's not aqua or anything, but the baby blue, UNC blue, sky blue, whatever you want to call it, is fire. Like I said, 2 reasons why this sneaker is a sleeper. 1, right now people are being picky. People have no money. I understand. They want to just choose what they like. But most of the things that people do like subconsciously is based off hype. I don't get stuff that's hype. Sometimes I do because I genuinely like it, but I also get stuff I like. I don't care if it's not going for so much on resale. I don't care if people don't like it. People might be like, oh, you're bugging. My Jordan 13 collection is elite. You guys want to sleep? By all means. I get to get shoes like this that I want for personal for under retail. Now, you may be asking how I get it for under retail. I'm going to tell you the secret. I said it in the last video. Maybe it needs to be a little updated. Stuff like this. Build your account on any platform that use point systems, whether it's Flex accounts or Finish Line JD. Specifically, I use the $20 coupon on Finish Line JD, whichever one I use. I forgot. But the reason why is you also do that because you get free shipping. So it's like you're picking it up. And you get to use a $20 coupon. And you get some cashbacks. Now, you decide wherever you live what cashback system you want to use. And by all means, whatever. So, essentially, instead of paying something, whatever, for this. I think I ended up paying like 190 something. As long as you get to save a little money for personals, I guess it kind of helps. So I wanted these. I said if I didn't like them in person, I could just return them, but I'm not returning these. I generally like these, and yeah. If you want, go back way back to my 13th video, maybe I did it in order, maybe, or whatever. Just type in my channel, Air Jordan 13 collection. You'll see my 13 collections, so you can see why I love 13s and everything. So definitely let me know. For all the people that's watching this and that did cop, shout out to you. So leave a thumbs up if you did cop, so I know I ain't the only one out here just copying shit I just like, and I'm not getting stuff that's just hype. Like the video if you cop one of these, or maybe at least you like them. So let me know in the comments as well why you don't like 13s. Are you a dick rider and you don't want 13s because you want to go with the hype? 13s are one of the most slept on Jordan silhouettes, just like 7s and so on. And they have literally the best colorways. And like, there's a reason why I have a lot of 13s in my collection, because they constantly keep dropping fire colorways that people just sleep on because the hype is not 13s. By all means, like what you like, if you want to, whatever. But, yeah, cop this. It finally came in the mail yesterday, and I decided to give you guys a review. So good news, I have back-to-back review videos. Today with this, and then tomorrow you guys will get the dunk video. Stay tuned to see which dunks I'm talking about. That video will come out tomorrow, and then Sunday we take a day off. And notice I'm not even talking about New Year's because I don't care. I'm just dropping content for you guys. We're trying to get 600 subs already, and then get to 750, 1,000. Just keep moving forward. So make sure you always subscribe to the channel if you're watching. We always gonna do reviews. That's never gonna stop. Even though I change it up with the pickup vlogs, I know you guys like that as well. But I'm trying to build the channel. So stick with me, rock with me, all my loyal supporters on here. I appreciate you guys all the time. I love seeing the subscriber count. I love seeing the likes, comment. I like to see engagement. So also go show love to my Instagram, importantly. And I do have a TikTok. You could find it somewhere. It's out there. Just type in Little Roy TikTok, something like that. Real Little Roy on TikTok. You'll find it. What else? Yeah, so let me know what you think about these in the comments. Are they a cop for you? Did you cop it, or did you pass, skip, whatever you want to do? This blue is fire. And the reason why I think people should get these, because if you like a UNC blue, and of course people want to hop on the wave of the 1s, the 3s, whatever UNC, the UNC 6s, even the 5s that's coming out next year. At least with this is the only one that they did the black to go with it. Meaning, this can barely get dirty. What more do you want in a sneaker? All those other shoes I just named literally has white in it, and it could get dirty easily. This is a fire UNC, and then you got the black with it. Come on, what more do you want? Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. That's all I gotta say about the shoe. Right? It's a regular 13. Some people play basketball on these, but I guess, I don't know, won't catch me playing basketball. Regular UNC blue with the black. Nothing too crazy. See it from this angle again. Of course, I got the little hologram right there. But no further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for still rocking with the channel. We still do reviews over here, so don't think I'm getting away from it. I'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. Any questions, comments, whatever, leave it in the comment section, obviously. And I'll see you guys. Peace out. I think that's all I gotta say, right? Well, I feel like I don't know how to end an outro no more. But later. I'm out of here.